Hi everyone, welcome to video number 8 for our 11-step process on how we use to get new customers for businesses using Facebook ads. Use this to get and grow your business starting next week. In video 8, we're still focusing on omnichannel, but this time is into email. Okay, this is second email channel. Yesterday, if you listen carefully, if you attended the training, yesterday was the first omni channel after messenger is SMS. The second omni channel to follow up is email. With the constant changes and restrictions going on, okay, look into multi-channels to reach out to your audience and engage with them, all right, through omni channel. Whatever channels you decide to use, okay, it can be WhatsApp, SMS, email, phone, bring them back into Messenger. Why? Because of the benefits. If you engage them into Messenger, is because of the free 24-hour window, all right, that you can communicate and engage with them the moment they based on the last interaction. Okay, for this video 8, we're going to look into second omnichannel follow-up, which is emails. Once someone puts in the information, all right, to opt in, okay, whether it's from the web page to the email, web page to Messenger, or using Facebook as a landing page and get that into Messenger, we want to start making it easy for them to call and book an appointment to claim the offer that they just said they wanted, just like SMS. Okay, as shown, as I explained to you in video 7. Okay, just like with the text message, I also want to make sure that you have a reminder to claim the offer if they are currently doing something, or when they opt in, they will actually got distracted, or they overlook that they actually requested for the information. Okay, this is where email messages come in, plus it comes in play with Messenger. All right. As soon as they put their email into the opt-in, okay, whether it's the landing page or through Messenger, we will automatically send a couple of emails and Messenger sequences to go along with the text message. Okay, the message I'm going to show you is what we're going to set up in the email, all right, but you can actually use the same, tweak it a bit, and have it like a short conversation through Messenger funnel and Messenger sequence. Okay, we will send one email and one messenger right away with details, and then we'll send them another reminder and messenger message 20 hours later for Messenger and 24 hours later from email. Okay, the message will look like this the moment they opt in, all right, or they bought a sticker. This is the message that we send out. Okay, the immediate follow-up email that they receive. Then 20 hours later, okay, through Messenger and through email 24 hours later window, all right, through email, this email is sent out. Okay, both messages that goes out, okay, immediately after the opt-in and the follow-up within 20 hours or 24 hours is to actually to remind them that they requested for this offer and to remind them, please make an appointment. Okay, so this is also a short video, okay, but like I said, whatever channel you use, make it a multi-pronged approach. Make sure it's a multi-channel approach, okay, because there's a lot of noise going around out there. Okay, so you have to make sure you keep in touch with your audience once they connect with you. Okay, opt-in, Messenger, SMS, email. Okay, now next training is on video 9. Okay, and this training you will not want to miss because it's the number 1 killer of Facebook ads campaign. I will explain further, okay, in video 9, so don't miss out. So in video 8, if there's any question, as usual, type QQQ. I'm more than happy to assist you. If you want to further and set up this campaign for your own business or for your client, okay, or if you want us to do a strategy session with you, right, just drop a message or type QQQ, okay, and I'm more than happy to connect with you and we can strategize. Okay, let's make 2021 a channel, a year where we master and control omni-channel for our business. See you then. Bye bye.